Alrighty, good morning. I guess good no, good afternoon. We'll say 12:10. Good afternoon, everybody over at ABC Seamless and Dan specifically, who I just spoke to. I'm gonna get this sent over to your email. If you have any issues with seeing this, feel free to contact me back. I can try to change the format around for you. But my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing, located in New Richmond, like I spoke to you about prior. Um, get into this here. This is this customized screencast I said I was going to do for you guys, just to make sure I can bring you guys the value that you deserve as a business. Um, so first things first here, talking about your value. You guys have a really phenomenal site, honestly. I've gone through this. I've gone through your Facebook page, and we'll get to that in a second. But so to your site, I wouldn't really recommend changing a whole bunch. You guys got contact us, get a free quote, learn more. You got buttons everywhere all the time. You got this bar that's following down. You guys got a phenomenally built site, so I won't even recommend doing anything with your site unless that's what you wanted to do. We could definitely consider it for you. Um, but with that being said, one thing that I noticed right away with your guys' site is you don't have a ton of content unless there is pages or back pages that I can't see, which is possible to do, that has all your words. Google loves words. Content is key in Google's eyes. Ranking you guys up in the first page is number one spot. That's what you want. Obviously, if people search seamless siding or gutters, well, what do you got here? Gutter guards, windows, roofing, doors. When people search that, you want to have the content for Google to find your guys' website and make sure people find you first. That's number one thing. For the most part, you're doing a lot of good stuff. Just add some content, I would say. I can see, like, when I click on here, it just pops up this, and I can go into more. Let's see, we'll do this right here. Learn more, and maybe this is that back page I was talking about. Bear with me. Okay, so yeah, you got some content. I see. Contact the boys. So you got some content. That's good. That's good. More is always better. Regardless of what you guys have now, we can always add more. This is totally up to you guys. One thing I'm not seeing though is I'm not seeing a lot of keyword rich content, meaning that when people are typing in window contractors in Minnesota, that's a keyword in Google's eyes. Those need to be in your content. That way, Google finds you again as well faster. For the most part, very good website. I wouldn't recommend a whole lot. Just updating the content. Going on to your Facebook page. Your Facebook page is pretty solid. I see you guys have your location, mission, your message. You guys got people liking you, following you. You got your website here, phone number, send message. See, this is not the email I had, but it's an email. It says you guys roofing service contractors. See, we could add a few more things here. Windows, gutters, doors, stuff like that. You guys are staying up on photos. One thing I did notice, it looked like June and July were your busy postings, but it looks like as of late you're doing about once a month. So that's one thing we will offer, as well as we do social media management. It's a package that we could do for you that we will log in, we will maintain, we will manage. We will post updates, whatever you guys want to inform us on. We will post all of your updates. We can run your ads for you on Facebook and any other social media sites you're on as well. We can also run ads on Google. With that being said, let's go to the Google here. This is that GMB I was talking to you about. See this little map pack? Some people call it a GMB. Some people call it a Google Map Pack. I call it a GMB. Same thing. It's a horse apiece. But so for here, I'm looking up seamless siding in Minneapolis just because that's what your guys' website says, right? And then here's those Google ads I was talking about. You can run ads if you want. That gets you more business right now, as compared to ranking in Google organically or your SEO side of it. But for the most part, that Google Map Pack I was talking about, I see you are the second one down. So one thing we can do similar to your website on your GMB is adding keyword-rich content as well as keyword-rich pictures. So saving pictures as they should be saved. It's like I can click on you guys here, and it should pop up with some photos as well, everything right here. Yep, so you're going to have these photos and their products right here. Let's see. So we got photos here. So one thing I can do is simple user is, let's see. We'll go into this. And I can try to save this photo. And what I mean by a keyword rich photo is this. Once it wants to load up for me. Second. It doesn't want to do it for me. Let's try to do this one. No. Save link. No, I don't want to save the link. Right there. Yeah. See, so it pops up as file name is a UV. Again, keywords. But what people would search on Google, that's what we want to save all of our pictures as, because that's extra money, you could say, in Google's eyes. They love to see that kind of stuff. So updating this, your GMB, that's a big one. As long as your locations are proper and up to date, you guys will rank real fast. And I don't know what other locations you guys are in. That's something we can sit down. Would like to call a deep dive video just to kind of get a baseline of where you guys took information from this video. And that's really just what this video is for you guys. It's an informative video to let you know how we can offer our help to you guys, and give me some feedback. That's all I really need from you guys. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.